Welcome to IronCore Firearms Lab. Today, we break down the mechanics of banknote printing. The journey begins not with wood paper, but with pure 100% cotton fibers. Before drying, a thin metallic security thread is embedded deep inside the paper layer. Notice the microscopic Tech Bharat and RBI laser etched onto the thread. Simultaneously, a 3D shadow watermark is pressed into the paper fibers. Gelatin coating gives the paper extreme durability and water resistance. Once dried, the security paper is ready for multi-layer precision printing. Simultaneous offset printing applies complex geometric color patterns on both sides. Microlines must align with sub-millimeter precision. Under ultraviolet light, hidden security numbers glow brightly. High-speed precision rollers move sheets without a single millimeter of slippage. Optical sensors scan every single square millimeter for imperfection. Now comes intaglio printing, the core of security printing. Tons of hydraulic pressure force paper into the microgrooves of the plate. This creates raised, tactile ink that you can physically feel with your fingertips. Main portrait and Ashoka pillar emblem are transferred with crisp detail. Tactile marks on the sides are raised, so visually impaired individuals can identify the note. Optically variable ink is applied to the denomination numerical digits. As light hits from different angles, the ink shifts dynamically from green to blue. Mechanical numbering boxes rotate to print unique serial numbers on every note. The serial number font increases in size, sequentially across the row. Every printed sheet passes through ultra-high-definition AAI camera scanners. Even a microscopic ink flaw triggers instant rejection by the machine. Precision tungsten blades cut full sheets into perfect individual banknotes. Robotic stacking mechanisms group notes into exact 100-note packets. Packets are vacuum sealed and strapped, fully prepared for secure distribution. From pure cotton to complex mechanical artistry, that is precision engineering in action. Thank you for watching IronCore Firearms Lab. Subscribe for more precision engineering breakdowns.